Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to convert crypto to fiat on Binance. How to basically deposit it to your bank account. First thing I want you to do is just launch up Binance. Make sure you're here on the wallet section, and then just look for the crypto asset that you have, and let's say USDT, right? So what we'll do right here, we are going to first make sure that it is in our funding. Okay, so click here on transfer. Make sure you transfer it from your spot wallet to funding. Okay, make sure it's funding, and you can do max right here and confirm that transfer. Now once you have it in your funding, what you need to do is you need to go to withdrawal. Okay, and then right here you choose USDT, right? Go to withdraw, and of course you can use the P2P market as well, but if you want the express way, you can come here, click on sell, and choose how much you want to sell right there. Let's say 10 USDT, choose bank transfer. Okay, and then you can preview your order. You'll receive the funds directly to your bank, which you had connected. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.